Today we're gonna add airlift suspension 3P on my Civic.
The Civic. We're finally gonna be modding your car, bruh.
Yo!
Oh!
Oh my god!
Dude!
This is hard, bro.
Bro, I'm so happy for him. He's like so hyped right now that his car's like bagged and he has the wheels on. He's been waiting for this for so long.
That shit fire. That shit fire.
Can't get over it, dude.
Shit, bro, it's too clean.
Let's walk to the other side. Guys,
So bad, bro.
we literally just put the bags and the wheels on last weekend. What happened, dude? What happened?
got T-boned, bruh.
First of all, I'm glad you're okay. I literally saw this all happen. We're getting lunch. Dude, I was scared, bro. Like, I literally parked my car and I ran full sprint over here. This was like smoking and everything because like the airbags. I was so scared, bro.
It was smoking on the inside, too.
Dude, I like opened all the doors. I was like making sure you're fine, dude. That was scary, but I'm glad you're okay, dude. So many people wanted to see your car on the channel. Like,
oh my god.
everybody was like, what's next? Like, what is he gonna do to his car next? Do you think it's totaled?
I thought if
I think it's gonna be totaled, bro.
yeah,
I'm not gonna
I thought
lie.
if the airbags deploy, like, that's over with.
Gosh, bro. So sad. We're literally just working on it. Got it sitting right with the wheels. Oh my gosh, bro.
Blasting.
You said it just hit your arm, huh? That's it?
Yeah, like burn like my hair off my arm.
Jeez.
This is crazy.
Airbags and everything. So scary, bro. Literally so scary. Guys, I literally saw it happen. I was driving right in front of him with the BRZ, and he was behind me. We're making a left turn, and this car just hit him on the side. It was such a loud noise, and I freaking looked in my mirror and just saw him like pulling into the grass, or he kind of got like pushed into the grass. Good thing he didn't hit the tree or anything, but so freaking crazy. Fortunately, no more Civic content. Guys, this is so sad to see.
At least I gave y'all one video.
I know, one good video. It was a good run. I loved how it sit, bro. It's so sad freaking seeing it like this.
Looks sexy, bro.
What are your plans?
Get some racks.
Some racks?
Buy new car.
That's so sad, bro. It looks so clean. Only lasted a few days. Two. So freaking unfortunate. Literally, this accident happened, I want to say 3 or 4 days after we finished the bag install and installing his T37s on his car. If you guys didn't watch the previous video, pretty much we installed bags and wheels on one of my best friend's cars, which is, you know, the one you guys saw at the beginning of the video. That got ran into. That car has been his daily pretty much. Like, he just paid it off. And his dream has always been to modify his car. He's been my best friend since, I want to say, like middle school. So he's just like watched, you know, like me modify all the cars on the channel and stuff. Just grew to be like his dream to like eventually modify his own. Ordered everything, the bags, the wheels, you know, we installed it that weekend. Came out freaking amazing, and he was just like so excited. If you guys saw that video, you guys can see it. He was so hyped and so just happy to have his car, you know, finally on bags. It's just insane. Like a few days later, someone just runs into it and ruins it, and by the looks of it, it's honestly probably totaled, guys. Like the thing is just absolutely destroyed on the side. You know, it could have been way worse. You know, thankfully he is okay. He was like very like shooken up from it. I think right now his body's a little bit sore, his neck hurts, but thankfully he's okay. It could have been way worse. Dude, it was scary. We were actually getting some lunch together. I was in front of his Civic. We were turning left onto a road. So I obviously turned left first, you know, I was in front of him. I just hear this super loud like bang, like so loud. I think I had music playing too and I still heard it. Guys, I look in my rearview mirror and I just see like cloud of like just like smoke from the collision, and I just see his car rolling into the grass, completely banged up from the crash. Airbags and everything. I saw the airbags from my mirror, freaked out. I instantly just like pull over to the side. I don't even know where I parked. I think I just parked like literally like on the sidewalk somewhere. Everything just happened like so fast. I ran over, his car was like full of like smoke from the airbags. Pretty much what happened was there's two turning lanes. He was on the far right turning lane, but the car to his left didn't know those were turning lanes, so that car was going straight. He was on the right side of it, so as he was turning to cross over, that car went completely straight and just ran right into him. That car just did not know what was going on. But yeah, super scary, guys. Normally I would not film stuff like this. Like this is kind of just like, I don't know, like I just normally wouldn't film this type of stuff, but Henri was like, you know, go ahead and like film something, because we did film that video before this one, which was pretty much transforming his car. I got a ton of comments from you guys saying, you know, like, oh, I have a Civic, you know, I'm looking forward to, you know, the Civic build. A lot of you guys were like tuned in and like excited to like, you know, see his car on the channel. Literally like 2 days later, someone just crashes into it. So I couldn't really like just leave you guys hanging, like have you guys wondering, you know, like where's he been? Obviously the car is like totaled now. So yeah, I'm pretty much just, you know, like documenting what happened. Still can't believe it. You know, to this day, I'm just like, wow, like bro was so excited. He was so hyped to just have his car, you know, sitting the way it is. One thing I did take from this was that all this stuff is so temporary. You know, the car stuff, it could literally just be taken away from you in just a second. All it takes is one other driver that's not paying attention or whatever the case may be. Like all this car stuff is just, it just be taken away in such an instant. Like you could be like thinking of, I don't know, thinking so much of whatever your car, and down to the like itty bitty detail of like just trying to tweak something, but in a moment it could just be taken away. I don't know, that's just like one thing that really woke me up a little bit, because I'm kind of like that. I'm very picky with like the car stuff, and like I could fix this thing, or like, you know, just down to the smallest detail. But just the fact how Henri dreamed of this, got it done, and it just got robbed from him in literally a couple seconds. That just like woke me up, and I was like, wow, like this stuff is so temporary. I guess that's just like the message for this accident, is that you know, bro, life can throw you a curveball at any given moment, and just cherish whatever you have. You know, don't take things for granted, because like I said, it can change at any given moment. You know, whatever it is it may be, just, you know, enjoy it, treat it like it's the last day, literally, because you never know what can happen. And that applies to anything in life, really, not specifically only cars. Drive safe, literally, on these roads. You never know what these other drivers are doing, you know, if they're paying attention. So yeah, guys, just drive safe out there. It's crazy. But yeah, anyways, we're about to link up with him. Actually, we're gonna grab some little snack, some acai bowls, and I'm gonna check up on him, see how he's doing, and you guys will be able to see him as well. Alright guys, we just destroyed these. Look who I'm with. How are you, dude? You good?
I'm alright. It's so crazy just how everything happened though.
It's scary, bro, overall.
Yeah.
Dude, I feel like a lot of people want to know. A lot of people have been wondering, like, what's next, dude? I feel like it's just all happened out too fast. So yeah. Like, you don't really know. Because I know you posted on your story, like, oh, what car I should get next?
Yeah.
What did they say? I want to see them, low-key. WRX?
WRX, STI, FRX, BRV,
RCF, WRX, STI, SUV,
M3. Bro, give me a whole list.
Dude, damn, that's like every car.
Kia K5 bag.
Join the 86 community? Right, that'd be sick. I don't know. What you got in mind though? What are you feeling?
I want to get another Civic.
Another Civic? Like same one or like upgrade? SI?
I don't want to get the 11th gen because the Civic that I had was 2016.
That'd be sick, another Honda. I know a lot of you guys wanted to see more Honda content. Like once I posted this car, I didn't realize how many people that have Hondas like follow me. Like so many of you guys were so hyped to see like the Civic on the channel. That's why I kind of feel bad because this all just like happened out of nowhere. I don't know, maybe we'll get another Honda.
We gonna make a comeback, bro.
Come back, bro. Once that insurance check hits.
Yeah. Rats.
All right, guys, take a wild guess. Where do you think we're going? If you guys guessed it, you know me too well. All right, you guys are missing out. If you guys didn't see my old video, showcased what I do at Chick-fil-A. Have you tried it? No?
I never tried mac and cheese.
Bro, it's so freaking good. So this is what you do. Grilled chicken. Everybody always asks me what I get. Grilled chicken nuggets and a large mac and cheese. Oh. Try it. Some protein.
Yeah. Look at all kinds again.
Yeah, I got all kinds of games. All kinds. All kinds.
This fire hunt. We got buffalo sauce. Just like that. You wanna try it? It's fire, bro. I just used one, but we got the buffalo sauce. Pour that in there. I'm gonna let him have the first bite.
First bite.
First time trying it. You gotta get everything though. You gotta get the chicken,
And the mac and cheese.
mac and cheese, and the buffalo sauce.
Oh.
Damn, look at that. A little ASMR.
Yeah.
Damn. That's all you. That's fire, huh?
Yeah, man.
Guys, trust, you gotta try it. Huh?
How'd you think of this?
I saw it on Instagram, bro. Like a reel, everything.
That shit was good.
So worth it. I feel like I've been eating all day, but time to watch this thing. I've not watched this in so freaking long. As you can tell, the wheels are starting to turn gray. All the brake dust, and dude, look at all the water spots. So this thing definitely needs a wash. Clean car. Feels so good. Something about having just a freshly washed car. It's like therapy. Washing the car, it's just, I don't know, it's so peaceful just cleaning the thing. I still have this Origin Labs kit for the FRS BRZ 86. I am selling it, never mounted. Local pickup in San Diego, California. This was gonna be the new kit for the FRS, but as stated in the previous videos, we are going a different route for even bigger and better things. So with that being said, we gotta get rid of the Origin Labs kit. If you guys know anybody, or if you guys are interested and don't want to pay shipping from Japan, I got it right here in San Diego, California. But yeah, it's been a long day. Let's go ahead and head inside, clean up a little bit. I'm probably gonna play some Modern Warfare 2, some Call of Duty.